Hello and welcome to my kitchen. All right, so today we're going to talk about making protein pancakes, and I have a really simple way to do that. I just got done talking to one of my coaching clients about this, and I thought, this would be a great video. So typically what I do is I set my food processor right on top of, let's see if you guys can see that, right on top of my scale. There you go. All right, and what I will do is literally I dump one ingredient in, zero it out, one ingredient. So to make the protein pancakes, you want to do about 40 grams of oats. So I put in 40 grams of oats. I zero it out just that fast. I throw in a whole banana, or about 100 grams of banana, and I like them when they're really ripe like this, really sweet. So 100 grams of banana, zero it out. Now I'm going to switch it from grams to ounces. I push the ounces button, and I take my egg beaters and I put in about 8 ounces or 1 cup worth of egg beaters, like that. Zero it out. Then I go ahead and I leave it at grams or ounces, it doesn't matter, and I do a half a cup of cottage cheese. So in this case it would be 113 grams, and then I put that in. Then I go ahead and give it a little splash of vanilla. I do a little squirt of salt here, and I do I kind of estimate this, a pinch of baking powder, and that's just to give it a little bit of rise. And then I also typically do some cinnamon. And then I put all of that in the food processor. Now, this is everything. This is everything to make protein pancakes. I put the lid on, I'm going to stick it on top of the unit itself, and I'm going to puree it. Once I puree it, it goes into the frying pans. Boom, protein pancakes are done. I top them with Greek yogurt mixed with peanut powder and fruit and everything else, and they're super yummy, super easy to make, and everything goes in here. And you notice I didn't even, other than a spoon for the cottage cheese, didn't use any utensils. So I hope that helps, and I hope that maybe shows you how easy it is to actually weigh your food as you're doing it to get a much better breakdown. All right, you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.